Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, the very first thing all you have to do is just download the pastel brown preset in the form of mobile Lightroom, PC Lightroom, also the camera preset. So just download, copy that mobile Lightroom DNG preset file to your mobile or SD card, and just open the Lightroom application. Click on this plus icon on the bottom screen, just click on the three dots on the right screen. Now unselect the JPG and also the video files, just select the raw files. Raw files are the preset file which are present in your SD card or phone gallery. Here is the preset file which I'll be giving you, that is a pastel brown preset. Now just click on the add button, so it will be added to your all photos gallery of your Lightroom application. So let's just wait for the moment to be added. So here it is, almost I think I added. Here is the preset file. Alright, now all you have to do is just click on the three dots on the right screen, just select the copy settings and hit OK. Now go back and let's open some of the photographs and let's see how it actually looks if you apply the preset to your photos. Let's try it on this photograph. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. Here is the before and here is after. It is really giving your photo a very perfect autumn brownish look with kind of perfect sky blue or light sky blue color, which is making your photo to look pop out. Let's try it on this photograph. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. This one is really looking very creative and amazing, guys. Let's try it on this photograph. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. This one is really looking very creative and cool. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on and you can see the difference, guys. Here is the before and here is the after. This one is a dope preset, guys. Let's try it on this photo. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this preset. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos and preset just like this for you guys for free. And also guys, don't forget to download all the preset from my website, that is www.ashvircreations. From there you can download all the same preset in the form of mobile Lightroom, also for your desktop Lightroom, also for your camera preset in Photoshop. And also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. And also guys, don't forget to visit our second website, that is filterpreset.com. On that website also we can upload soon the most creative and the powerful presets. So stay tuned on that website also, guys. Thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.